game. Every player was performing. Mofokeng, I just want to say to you, you are the best.
Yeah.
But don't celebrate before you score. In the first half, you were supposed to score 2-3 goals, but you celebrate in your mind before you score. Score and celebrate. But one thing I want to tell Gayton McKenzie is that Mama Joy, akahambi ma funeral wa ma supporters. But ufuna kumnikeza ticket aye World Cup. That is wrong. There's no way you can Mama Joy ala. Ahamba funeral, ahamba is something no matter whoever team. Please Gayton McKenzie, Mama Joy, ahambe ma funeral, ahambe ma functions.
So basically, Mr. Maeli, are you saying good to Gayton McKenzie must give other fans a chance to go now by support?
Yes, he must give other fans a free ticket to the USA.
Yeah.
As stop and try and some. But today's game was okay. It's just it's Sundowns winning and hey.
Awucabanga ukuthi khona la bazolahla khona kodwa?
Yeah, bazolahla. One day is one day. Before league iphela bazolahla ngayi-1. Then Amazulu says Richards Bay, everything was okay. Otto, you are the man of the match. No matter what, you are the man of the match. You were performing. It shows after keeper out. It shows good that chain wasn't there. Otto Kumile. They were just congested in the middle. But scientifically, they were playing okay.
What do you think of Masindi Lemtachela, member?
Tangela, you're still coming up. We're still coming up, Tangela. Don't lose hope. Focus. La emahlanyeni back pole. We don't boo the players. We encourage them. Yes, we encourage them. Whatever mistake. I've been playing in Mabopane. I've been making mistakes. Even now, I am a mistake.
Mistake is part of the game.
We are born MTN. We are born 1, 2, 3, 4. Si shota petway. 1, 2, 3, 4. MTN. Si shota petway. Please. Si shota petway. Let's hope uNkulunkulu akenzi Sundowns ilahle kancane sithole petway. Ngiyabonga Elias Erasmus Branch waseMabopane.
Salute Elias. Please subscribe Bafethu. Thank you.